Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Well, today I'm going to show you how to draw a turkey with a hat, step by step. It's easy. I think you're really going to like it, and it's perfect for this time of season. All right, let's get in the studio and start to draw. First thing I'm going to draw is a round shape, almost like a sphere. But as I'm drawing the sphere, I'm thinking of the bottom part being kind of flat because it's sitting on the ground. Next, I want to draw my turkey's big head, and I also want to draw another sphere on top, and it's almost like I'm building a snowman here. Let's get a line going around. That will be his eye line. That will give me guides of where to put his eyes. And then a center line. And that will be a guide to find the center of his head so I can drop in my beak, like I'm doing now. Let's come underneath the beak, add a little bit of a smile because our turkey is sound asleep and probably having a pretty good dream, I think. Extend two lines at the bottom. Those will give us guides in order to draw his feet. Not his feet, we'll go with feet. This dad who draws has got to look that up. I want to say claws, but they're not. Okay, let's get his eyes in. As you can see, the eye that's closest to us is going to be much bigger than the one away, and this will help add to the illusion of depth. As I draw his eyelids that are closed, I'm drawing around the eyelid so it has a sense of volume. A little couple of the openings in his beak for his nose. Now let's put some guides up here for his hat, and here's a little tip. Whenever I'm drawing hats, I draw the rim second to the main part that goes on the head. This gets the hat lined up with where the head will go, and then I can add the rim. And I'll use the same trick when I draw cowboy hats or any kind of hat, baseball caps. I always start with the part that goes around the head itself before the rim. All right, let's get some wings in here, and he has his wings on, holding on to his belly there. And the wing in the distance is kind of wrapping around his body.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, go down there and give me a thumbs up. You got this.
All right, nice big arc for his, we're going to use that as a guide for his feathers. Then let's get his feet. Here we are again. I've got to find this out here. Just fanning those out. Okay, so here's another trick. Let's divide the feathers evenly. So you always want to divide things in half. So find the center one. It's easier for the eye to locate the center of something. And then once you find the center, you center that, and then you find the center of those shapes, and finally your whole piece is divided evenly. Now with our remaining time, let's go in and start adding some detail, darkening our lines. Since he's asleep, I'm adding a little fun detail like bags under his eyes. Okay, we're coming up to our 5-minute marker, and I would encourage you to pause the video and get some of the final detail in. We're working with surface lines on his feet, some feathers in his body, and if you need to refer to the drawings They're on your left-hand side and the color version up on top. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.